Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami pyramid ring. And it's a really cool model. And so this is for my 6-inch square, and if you use a 3-inch square, you can wear it on your finger. And yeah, and that's what I recommend using, a 3-inch square, if you want it to fit on your finger. And special for my members only, I made a crane ring. It's got a crane head and a tail, and you can also wear it like that. Okay, and find the join button if you want to become a member. It's only like a couple dollars per month, I believe. Okay, so here we go. So let's fold the pyramid ring. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. And like I said, if you want it to fit your finger, use a 3-inch square like this one. Okay, so to make it easier to follow, I'm going to use a bigger square. So I'm going to make a colored pyramid ring. So begin colored side up. So if you want to make a white one, begin white side up. Okay, so colored side up and fold in half. Unfold and fold in this direction. Unfold and fold two opposite corners to the middle. You can unfold. Actually, no, keep it folded. Alright, now turn over and take these two sides and fold them to the middle. And as you're doing it, let the flap underneath swing out like this. Alright. And repeat on this side. Okay, turn over and take these two sides and fold them to the middle. Okay, so this is going to be the ring, this bar, and this white square is going to be the pyramid. So we're going to make a square base out of this white square. So here we go. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to take this corner and bring it down to that point, like this. Alright, see what I'm doing here? And then you can fold like this. Fold right in there. Alright, undo that. And now bring this corner to that point, like this, and increase that, and repeat on this side. Okay, and now make the square base, like this. Alright, and now we're going to rotate like this, and we're going to petal fold right here. So take the side and bring it to the center, and just make a petal fold like this. And then bring it down like that. Alright, the same right here. Okay, and then repeat on the other side. Okay, like this. And even like this is a really cool model. This is a nice action model. This is like a bird beak. You can open it like that, pull the two sides, and it opens like that. Isn't that cool? And I'm thinking about actually making a tutorial on just this model, like very soon, someday. Yeah, this is actually a model that I came up with when I was really young, like when I was in 4th grade or something. I was at school in 4th grade, and I came up with a model like this. Yep. and then very soon I'm thinking about teaching it on my channel in one of my videos. Alright, so yeah, so make sure you're subscribed. Okay, so let's continue on with the ring. So, alright, now comes the fun step. We're gonna take the two sides and separate them like this. Okay? And then make this fold here. We're making it in between these 2 points. So it's not gonna align with the edge. Okay? Like this. See? So in between the 2 points, not with the edge. Alright? And same on this side. So make that fold in between the 2 points. And that's what it looks like. So it doesn't align with the edge completely. And look at that, there's our pyramid. Okay, now turn over. And we're gonna take this and fold it up so these 2 points touch these 2 points. Like this. Okay. Okay, and now on this side, let's just kind of narrow this out. Just fold that in like this, just narrowing it out so it makes it easier. Like that. So why do we narrow it out? So that we can stick this side into that pocket. Like this. So just stick it into the pocket. And it doesn't matter how far. There's no guide mark on how far you want to just put it inside. Just fold it inside until you kind of feel the paper stopping. Like that. So just as far as it goes. There you go. That's about right. Like that. And then, once you did that, shape the ring to taste. And there's your pyramid ring done. And I think it's a really cool model. It's really easy to fold too. Yep, and you can put it on your finger. This is obviously way too big for my finger. Yeah, and now once you folded this, give it a try from 3-inch paper like this, and you can actually put it on your finger. This one came undone. It doesn't matter though. And yeah, so there it is. And I want to show you this model that I recently made. This is an Origami Santa Claus. And I'm going to put this video out on Christmas Day. It's a jumping Santa. See? Like that, and it jumps. So for that tutorial, click right here when I post it. So that'll be out on Christmas Day. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this pyramid ring and were able to make it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.